Hey guys, we're at Pikes Peak International Raceway. We came for Truck Madness. This shit kind of whack. If you're here, you know.
It's too overhyped with my
We fucking woke up early as fuck and tired as fuck.
Oh, and
We're
it was trucks
tired.
and costumes, and no one's wearing a fucking costume.
We have our
Yeah,
costume
we're a
in the
little bit fucking
trunk.
yes, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't talk about that. It's like, but this shit pretty whack. I just want to hear the grupo so I can get alterada like a little bit, you know.
We want to be like a little.
If you guys didn't know, I have a caddy, and I'm starting to think it's low.
And all this shouldn't make you think it's cool.
I mean,
If maybe you want to get a new car.
I'm starting to get embarrassed because I really be thinking I'd be boosting everyone when I race, but I think I'm really slow, guys. All right, bye. I will update you guys later.
Gracias,